Journey to English Mastery. Unlocking to as a preposition of direction. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our journey to English mastery. Today, we will be unlocking the magic of prepositions. Specifically, we're going to delve into to as a preposition of direction. This seemingly simple word plays a huge role in English. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what a preposition of direction is. These are words that help us describe where something or someone is going. To is one such preposition, and it is specifically used to indicate a destination or direction. Here's a straightforward example. I am going to the library. In this sentence, to is used as a preposition of direction, showing where I am going. The library is the destination. Now that we know what to does as a preposition of direction, let's see how we can use it. When using to as a preposition of direction, it often follows a verb that denotes movement. Some of the common verbs include go, walk, run, drive, fly, and many more. Here are some examples. She is running to the store. We are driving to the beach. They are flying to Paris. As we learn English, it's normal to make mistakes. That's how we learn. But let's talk about some common mistakes when using to as a preposition of direction. A common error is using to after the verb arrive. The correct usage is arrive at for specific places or arrive in for cities and countries. For example, incorrect, I arrived to New York. Correct, I arrived in New York. Alright, fellow language explorers, that wraps up our journey today. We've learned how to works as a preposition of direction, how to use it correctly, and what common mistakes to avoid. We hope this has cleared the path to your English mastery. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Until next time, happy learning.